there are certain challenges na medyo obvious naman po yung solution. We don't have to
Mhm.
ask. First, tingnan po natin yung shortage of classrooms. Sa totoo po, no, Sir Sito, kung titingnan po natin, ang karamihan ng estudyante natin ay nandoon po sa yung 5 regions po yan. Effectively po, nabanggit niyo yung isang province which belongs to one of the regions, ano, yung Batangas. Pero
Hmm.
majority of our classrooms really belong to these 5 regions. Of course, yun yung Region 4A, NCR, Region 6, Region 3. Again, ano, like yung sinabi niyong Batangas, I think DepEd itself does not need to make a study but ask, bakit hindi nila mapuno yung mga classrooms po sa lugar kunyari ng Batangas? Because they always tell us, ang problema nila is that, of course, they have to build on lot that they own. So again po, no, that will take a little po of asking and sleuthing for them to be able to create access. Pero again po, no, Sir Sito, that is not the only problem. Access po is just one part of it. That is why
Hmm.
I agree po. Talagang we do that together with ensuring yung 1 to 3 natin ay functional literacy. Kasi end of the day, kung walang kalidad rin, walang quality, this is where we are. From time immemorial to 2018 when we started taking these international assessments, and this was pre-pandemic. Lahat na po nag-introduce pa nga ng K to 12.
Hmm.
Nagtayo tayo ng mga buildings, nagbigay ng laptop, lahat po 'yun. Pero where are we? We did not fare well in the PISA exam. We did not fare well in the TIMSS exam. We did not fare well in the SEA PLM examination. Lahat po 'yun pre-pandemic po, kinuha lahat 'yun. And of course, pagdating ng pandemic with face-to-face being very non-existent or limited, talagang we are certain kasi yung Zoom naman mahirap po talaga maging effective ang Zoom. So dito pa lamang po nakikita natin that at the same time we can do the studies, but now we know that there are certain things that we must do. And taking it from the World Bank study, taking it from the PSA study, taking it from the 3 international assessment examinations, lumalabas po talaga ang kakulangan po natin talaga ay uh, reading, and mathematics, because doon
Okay.
nakasentro lahat ng examination na yon. And that is why, at the same time, while doing all these studies, and I agree fully with that, we must already make the changes now. Kasi kung hindi rin natin gagalawin yung curriculum, hindi tayo gagawa ng changes, we should not expect any different results. And Sir Sito, no,
Yeah.
para masabi na rin po sa inyo, I think we took an exam ulit. We took a PISA exam, I think, fairly recently. So if we do well, that is good. Pero again po, no changes have yet been introduced that second PISA exam was taken. So wag po tayo masyadong again po, let us get our heads together.
Mhm.
Matalino ang batang Pilipino. It is these changes that we have to do para lang masigurado natin na yung foundational skills na sa kanila.